I'm Kritika, together with Dina, Xiaowen, and Madhu, will be presenting the performances of two cafes, our own cafe, Cafe Alpaca, and our competitor, Cafe Bear. Let's start with showing the graph of Cafe Alpaca's performance. From 2022 to 2024, the sales of Cafe Alpaca has declined by 33.33%. This shows a consistent downward trend. Cafe Bear, on the other hand, shows the ups and downs in its sales. From 2022 to 2024, it shows an incline by 30.95%. Then it fell sharply by 38.18% from 2023 to 2024. Now, let's explore the customer satisfaction ratings across three categories. The first category would be customer experience and loyalty. As you can see in this chart, Cafe Bear has a higher star rating compared to our cafe. Cafe Alpaca has got 6 in customer experience and loyalty, which is considered average. This suggests that the customers may have visited our cafe but did not have a strong reason or connection to return back. This may possibly due to the slow service and lack of personal engagement. For example, the issue that we faced back in 2022 on the staffs that did not greet our customers properly made our sales to decline constantly. Next, Cafe Bear, on the other hand, has got 8 in customer experience and loyalty, which is considered good. This, even though there was a decline from 2023 to 2024, the customers still value their experience through. This is possibly due to friendly service and consistent quality. For example, Cafe Bear took the initiative to reserve priority seats for the regular customers in their cafes, which increases the loyalty of the customers. This loyalty would improve their sales over the time. Overall, in 2024, Cafe Alpaca sales were slightly higher than Cafe Bear. This shows that our marketing efforts were helping. However, we still need some improvement in our customer experience and loyalty. Now, I'll pass the floor to Dina to explain further on the next category.
Thank you, Kritika. Now, let's look at the marketing and branding category. For Cafe Alpaca, we scored 7, which falls on the scale of good. For Cafe Bear, on the other hand, we scored 5, which falls on the scale of average. This shows that Cafe Alpaca is better and more successful in our marketing and branding. Next, let's have a closer look for Cafe Alpaca's marketing and branding. We have held social media campaigns and also creative visuals to promote to the online customers so that it can have a variety of customers, and also we invite influencers from social media to advertise to the younger generations as well. As you can see in the graph, although Cafe Alpaca's sales have declined declined over the years, but in 2023, in the decline between 2023 to 2024, it is 11.11%, whereas in 2022 to 2023, it is 25%. This indicates that in 2023 to 2022, our decline has been more smaller compared to 2022 to 2023. Next, for Cafe Bear, their sales have decreased significantly in 2023 to 2024, which is 38.18%. This means that they may only rely on word of mouth or customer satisfaction, which means that they don't really put effort on marketing and branding. Overall, Cafe Alpaca's sales have slightly higher compared to Cafe Bear. This means that Cafe Bear's marketing efforts are contributing positively in revenue. Next, I'll pass to Selwyn for the next.
Thanks, Eva. Now we'll focus on the product quality and menu for both cafe. Although the both cafe received the same rating, which is score 4 that considered as fair, the Cafe Alpaca still achieved the higher sales. From this graph, we can see that the Cafe Alpaca sales is slightly dropped from 2022 to 2024. The main reason for this decline are that the price is quite high, that making the foods and services are feeling like less affordable. Besides that, there's offers only a few choice and no innovations in the menu. So this is not attractive to the new customers and mainly regular customers to continue visit it. To solve these problems, we have suggested some promotions and engagement activities. For example, customers who shares our cafe on social media with a good comments will get a 10% discount on their meal. We also suggest that we have a new combo that is a coffee with a cake for only 10 ringgit. Next, when we compare to our competitor Cafe Bear, the graph shows that their sales is increased in 2023 due to the strong promotions, but dropped sharply in 2024. This is because many customers complain that their ingredients is not fresh. To avoid this happening in our cafe, we have to use supplier evaluation system to ensure that all ingredients is matching our quality standards. Next, I will pass to Matu to summarize all.
Thank you, Selwyn. Well, as you can see from the graph, the Cafe Alpaca sales has declined steadily from the year 2022 to 2024. Not only that, but their customer satisfaction shows weakness in their loyalty and product quality, which I've indicated with a sad star over here. And comparing to Cafe Bear, Cafe Alpaca's market branding seems to have a good result, which is a good thing for Cafe Alpaca. Despite of the Cafe Alpaca's good result, they still do have a significant drop in their sales and poor satisfaction from their customer, which affects their reputation and their overall business performance. As a manager, hereby I would like to give you suggestions that will help the business to recover back their sales, their reputation, as well as to a great performance. First thing first, what can the business Cafe Alpaca can do is that improve their product quality, which is basically refreshing their menu, adding a new, attractive, and most importantly, high quality options of food that would help to attract new customers. Besides that, the Cafe Alpaca also should focus on improving their customer experience. Now, the question arises, how can they do that, right? For example, they should organize training services for their staffs in terms of how to be more attentive to the customers. Not only that, they should also start to implement loyalty program as a sort of rewards for the customers. Hereby, these suggestions will help the Cafe Alpaca to boost their customer satisfaction and also encourage the customers to make their way back again to visit the Cafe Alpaca. Well, a better menu, a good service and rewards for the regular customers will help to build a stronger relationship among the customer and the business as well. Together, these improvements can increase their sales and to retain a competitive position in the market. Thank you so much for listening to us.